Magical spoon. There is a mother-in-law named Vimla. Her daughter-in-law Anjali never took care of her. She always used to wrap up Vimla. She used to behave same way with her father-in-law also. Hey old woman, have this. What work you and that old man has? Full day you both chant and have food for free. Mother, don't say such words. They are my grandparents. They are old now. What work they should do at this age? This is the time for them to take rest. You be quiet, Naina. Better you don't talk on this. Rather than doing their work, they will all come to advise me. I have to do all the work single-handed. Naina leaves from there. She was very dear to her grandparents. Seeing her crying, Vimla says,
Our dear Naina, due to us she was scolded. See how she is crying. Will you listen to me? Let's go somewhere else from here. Neither our daughter-in-law will be worried, nor Naina will be scolded.
Hey, what are you talking about? Now in this age, where shall we go? And will we able to live without the beloved Naina?
Next day, Anjali again starts her what? She goes to Amar and tells, Better listen to me. I won't be able to do more work. Let's keep a maid for household work.
What? Have you gone crazy? There are already so many expenses. Naina is young, she has to get married, and you are increasing the expenses?
Then tell me, what's the other way?
I have no more way. If you have a way, tell me.
Tell your parents to help me in household works. Likewise, both don't have any work to do. If they help me out, it would be better for all of us. Amar always listens to Anjali. So he goes to his parents and says,
Mom, Dad, Anjali spent the whole day working. Anjali is unable to rest. You just help her in the household work. This will make household work easier.
Okay, dear son, you don't get tense. I will do all the household work. You concentrate on your work. You are the sole earner of our family.
Hearing Vimla say all this, Anjali gets happy and she divides all the household work. At this age also, Vimla does all work of sweeping, grooming, washing, everything. Shankar also starts helping. Do everything fast, old women, there are a lot of work. One by one, Anjali gives all the work pressure to Vimla. And she starts relaxing.
Listen, Vimla, now the time has come for that thing which will help you in your work.
I know you are saying about that spoon which your ancestors gave you. And after our marriage, we were advised not to use that.
Yes, Vimla, I am talking about this spoon.
But I will say the same thing which I said that day. Due to this magical spoon, my workload will get easy. But I will become lazy, which I don't want to be.
You are not wrong, Vimla. But then it was different, and today is different. Look at yourself today, Vimla. We are old. We do not have any work now. Accept my word. Take this spoon and start all your work with magic.
Okay, as you wish.
Vimla takes the spoon from Shankar and she goes to kitchen.
Spoon, spoon, will you show your magic soon? I want to make you everybody's favorite dish soon.
In a glimpse of time, all the food gets ready and they are served on the table.
Oh wow, Mom. Such delicious food has not been prepared or eaten in this house till date. It's fun today.
Everybody was enjoying their favorite dishes, but Anjali was having something in her mind. How could this old woman prepare such things in a short period? Next day again Vimla says to the spoon,
Spoon, spoon, now it's time to show your magic soon. Now it's time to wash the clothes and make them clean.
Now all the clothes look like new ones. Wow, Granny, the clothes are washed so nicely, they look so new. Anjali seems confused seeing all this and she feels jealous of Vimla. She says, I think something is going on, otherwise the old woman was not able to walk properly and she is doing so much work. I have to find out. Vimla tells everything about the magical spoon to her granddaughter Naina. Granny, don't tell anyone about the secret. You need this. And don't tell Mummy about this magical spoon. Anjali overhears both talking. Oh, I see. So this is the secret. Tonight I will steal the magical spoon. After that, my all dreams will come true. That night, Anjali steals the spoon and she wakes up Naina. Wake up, Naina. Tell me about the secret of this spoon.
This belongs to Granny. From where did you get it?
I stole it. What does it matter to you? You just tell me how the magic works. Naina whispers the mantra in Anjali's ears. Anjali hears it half the way and in greediness, she goes to her room and closes the door. Spoon, spoon, show your magic every time. Quickly bring a golden necklace for me. Suddenly, Anjali's jewelries turn black. Oh my god, what happened? All my jewelers turned black. Let me try out something. Spoon, spoon, now I order you something. Give me lot of clothes and agricultural tools. But the magic turns round. Anjali's clothes get dirty, her ears become bigger and hairs get tangled like a witch. And all the agriculture tools gets vanished.
Oh, what is this? Where have all tools disappeared? Who is that? Who is that? Thief! Thief! Thief!
Oh, I'm not a thief. I'm Anjali.
Anjali? But why you are in the form of such a beggar? And how have you made yourself?
Hearing Amar and Anjali, everybody wakes up. Anjali tells about the spoon to everyone. Father, please forgive me. Make me like before. Please forgive me.
Look, daughter-in-law, you got the punishment you did. You have given so much trouble to Vimla till today, but she did not say anything. But today you have crossed the limit. You have also stolen.
Please forgive me. I became blind in greediness. Please make me like before.
If this spoon is to be used correctly, so whoever owns this spoon, if this owner himself give you this spoon, only then will it work. If is it snatched away by decides, it will have the opposite effects.
I don't need this spoon. Mother-in-law, please take back and make me normal. I don't want to look like this. Vimla takes the spoon back and says,
Look, Anjali, our real wealth is our family. We have to take care about all the family members. We shouldn't hurt anyone.
Vimla takes the spoon and says,
Spoon, spoon, show your magic soon. Return Anjali to normal soon. Please hear her plea.
After this, Anjali returns back to normal. Mother, keep this magical spoon of our ancestors with you only. From today onwards, I will take care of our family and work hard. You and father will take rest and I will serve you both. Please forgive me. Thus the family lives happily thereafter.
Like, share and subscribe Kabu TV.